Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In today's video to the 90 FPS gameplay test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, just a couple of days back we did receive the software update, which is August security patch update, and after this update I did do a couple of videos on this particular topic as well, but this is my first time doing 90 FPS drop test in the Battlegrounds mobile in this phone. So let me need to open the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay, and right now you need to use the config file to get this kind of 90 FPS supported at this moment in this device. So without using config file you cannot get the 90 FPS working in this OnePlus Nord 2. And right now let me show you exactly the settings. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use a 90 FPS, and you can see the real-time floating FPS meter as well, which you can actually get the 90 FPS working perfectly fine in this phone. As you can see friends, fantastic. Now let's do the bootcamp drop test. Let's see how is the FPS is going to maintain after the recent software update. That is what I'm going to exactly concentrate. And the next upcoming videos I'll try to focus on the camera as well in terms of comparing with other phones. So make sure to stay tuned by following the playlist of the OnePlus Nord 2. This only playlist will help you to solve all the problems what is happening with this OnePlus Nord 2 friends. So don't forget to follow the playlist. So right now we are getting about 87 FPS, 80, 89, not bad. Let's see when there is a drop how much it can be actually decreasing. So one more thing, this is a config file. So the real update may be slightly stable, but config file may not be sometimes stable. But this is just a temporary solution in case if you want to try the 90 FPS in the OnePlus Nord 2, you can definitely do that. So let's see if it's official update when we're gonna get. No idea at this moment, not sure exactly. So maybe with the next Battlegrounds Mobile 1.6 version we may see this kind of update as well as soon as possible, but till then we'll try to use the config file only to see how is the FPS is dropping at this moment. So this is my first time doing friends after the recent update, so let's see how much the FPS gonna be there. And this is going to be really very interesting to see. And 76, it already came down to 76, and 81 we are getting 88, 87, 89, 88, as you can see the 86, 68, it dropped up to 68 as well, not bad, 68, and we're getting 83, 87. So the lowest value we did see around 68 FPS, the lowest 80, 85, not bad. So 68 is the lowest value which we did see in the OnePlus Nord 2 with this kind of drop test. Let's do the one more time drop test. I just need to do the multiple times drop test just to show you what is happening with the real-time FPS meter, how much it's dropping. So even it came down to 70 as well, sometimes 76. So as I said, it's not that stable. So this just a normal config file, so which is the same config file which I did use in other smartphones as well at this point. So same config file I'm trying in all the smartphones at this range. So that's the one thing which is common. So this is a second time FPS drop which I'm trying to do using the 90 FPS. So this is going to be very very interesting friends in terms of seeing the how much the FPS can actually decrease during this time of demonstration. And let's see, right now we are getting 89 FPS, 89, 87 FPS at this moment, 85, 89, as you can see clearly the FPS meter how it's maintaining, and 89, 88 FPS, not bad. So let's see this time how much the FPS can actually decrease in the bootcamp exactly, drop test. So this is just a drop test which I'm going to do friends. If you want, I can definitely do another gameplay review as well. So 86, 83. So second time it came down to 83, 81. So 81 is the lowest one which we did see. 67, as you can see, 67, 77, 75. As you can see friends, 67 and 77 total FPS meter which we got right now at this moment, not bad. And right now it's maintaining about 83, 87 we are getting at this moment. As you can see exactly it's maintaining around 83 and 84. At this moment, these are the FPS. It's maintaining 87 as well. 83 and 87. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick drop test in the bootcamp in this Realme in the OnePlus Nord 2 device using the 90 FPS config file. And see you in the next video, friends. I'll just stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want me to do any other review on this particular model, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely, I'll try to review those models as soon as possible in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.